Hello friend, in this video lecture I am going to prove that tan pi by 4 plus theta, tan 3 pi by 4 plus theta plus 1 equal to 0. So let's see the answer. Here I am going to take the LHS, that is left hand side. Now here tan pi by 4 plus theta and tan 3 pi by 4 plus theta plus 1. This is the LHS. Now here, so pi by 4 we can write, that is 180 by 4. So here the value is 45. Now 3 pi by 4, the value is 3 into 45. Then we can write this 135. So we can write 135. Now here the same is, we can write this tan 45 plus theta into tan 135 plus theta plus 1. Now you already know the formula called tan A plus B. So we can write tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A, that is A is 45, B is theta. Now tan B. So tan B is the theta. Now hereafter we can write tan. So this is tan A plus tan B, tan 135. We can write tan 135 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan 135 tan theta plus 1. Now hereafter the next is, the value of tan 45 is the 1. So we can write 1 plus tan theta divided by 1 minus 1 into tan theta. And hereafter tan the 135. So 135 we can write tan 90 plus 45. So tan 90 plus 45, that become minus cot 45. And here the minus cot 45, tan 90 plus theta, the value is cot theta. So here here minus cot tan 90 plus theta, the value is minus cot theta. And here after cot 45, the value is 1. So this value is now minus 1. So minus 1 plus tan theta divided by 1 minus 1 tan theta plus 1. Now hereafter we can write 1 plus tan theta, 1 into tan theta, that become tan theta. Now here we can write minus 1 plus tan theta, and here 1 minus minus, that become plus tan theta plus 1. And this term and this term both are same. Now here from this I'm going to take the minus common. So here minus common. So here we can write this become plus and this become minus, divided by 1 minus tan theta plus 1. And hereafter this term, that cancel. Now hereafter minus 1 plus 1, the value becomes 0. So that here on the right, this is the 0. So we can write LHS equal to RHS equal to 0. That's proved. So this is the way we can solve this kind of question. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.